In this video, I will show you how to make a welcome badge in Roblox Studio in 2023. So let's jump straight into it. So here we are on the Roblox Studio. Now the first thing you want to do is come up to the top and you want to click onto View up here. And you want to make sure you've got the Explorer and Properties windows selected. So you can see these over on the right hand side once you've clicked them up here. So once you've gone ahead and done this, what you're going to want to do is come to the right hand side, first of all to the Explorer window, and you want to navigate to the Server Script Service option down here. Now what you want to do is click the plus button next to this, and then go ahead and click onto Script. So once you've added this, of course, what you can do is call the script whatever you want, but for the purpose of this tutorial, I'm going to leave this as script. Now the first thing you're going to want to do is get rid of this existing script where it says print hello world. You just want to go ahead and delete this from the script. And next what you want to do is add this following script in. So what you can do is pause the video here and enter the script exactly as I have done here. So now we've added the script, the next thing we're going to want to do is add the welcome badge, which the player will receive once they join the experience or Roblox game. So to go ahead and create your welcome badge, what you now want to do is come across to roblox.com, log into your account, and at the top you've got some different options. You want to click onto create. That's going to go ahead and take you across to your creator hub. Now what you want to do from here is come down to experiences and then click onto view all to view all your current experiences. And then you just want to go ahead and select the experience that you're going to add a welcome badge to. So now what you want to do is hover over your experience and you're going to get some icons at the top. What you want to do is click onto the three dots and then come down and click onto create badge. So from here what you're going to want to do is go ahead and add the image for your badge and just go ahead and add a name. So I'm just going to call this one test and then a description, so something like thanks for joining my game. So once that's done, all you want to do, as you can see I've added an image for the badge as well, is just scroll down to the bottom and press the blue create badge button. So here we are back on this page here. If you don't see this page, come across to the menu on the left hand side, click on associated items and then come up to the top and press onto badges to find your badge you've just created. Now from your created badge, what you want to do is hover over your badge and you're going to get three dots again. Click onto this and then click onto copy asset ID. Now once that's done, come back to Roblox Studio. So now what we want to do is come back to our script, and at the top where it says local badge ID, after the equal sign up here, you want to put a space and then just go ahead and paste that asset ID that we copied previously. So you can just get rid of this existing one and it should look something like this. And once that's done, we can just go ahead and close this script by clicking across up here. And then all we need to do is come up to the top left hand corner, click onto file and then click onto publish to Roblox. So once that's done, your welcome badge is now created, ready to go. And that's how to go ahead and create a welcome badge in Roblox Studio in 2023. So I hope this tutorial did help you out today, and if it did, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this tutorial and I will see you in the next video.